And here's the awards. First up is the Networking Award, acknowledging an individual who engages with HunterNet, attends a wide range of events and effectively networks with members. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Networking Award goes to Paul Warren from HunterNet. Paul shows the true spirit and passion of a committed member. Paul participated in several forums and workshops, networking with members and the HunterNet team, including his participation in Avalon, Amex and Pacific 2013. Paul is the Director of HunterNet Australia, based at Beresfield. HunterNet Australia offers customised high-tech industrial remote control solutions, supplying equipment that provides safety and convenience in the toughest industrial environments. So please join me in welcoming Paul to accept the award and congratulating him on his energy and passion. Paul.
Thank you very much. We've only been in HunterNet for a short period of time, but it's been excellent for us, the networking and the assistance from member companies. Thank you.
Paul Warren from HunterNet. Now, we all know how critical innovation is when competing in a fast-changing global manufacturing and engineering industries. And we also know how great our industries are at innovation. But our big challenge has been commercialisation and bringing those innovations to market. So it's a real pleasure to present our Innovation Award tonight to a company that not only has the commitment to identify customer needs, but also the ability to turn those concepts into successful products. Ladies and gentlemen, the company receiving the 2013 Innovation Award is Advanced Technology Systems Australia. Please welcome Darren Burrows and Jenny Taylor from ATSA to accept the award. Now, ATSA, as they are more usually known, have a commitment to R&D which provides innovation, which drives the company forward. ATSA keep coming up with game changers, from the sea urchin tidal generator to unmanned underwater vehicles, mine disposal systems, and new sewer leak detection system, which has just been developed. So folks, a big hand for ATSA, whose continued innovation solutions and technologies make them indeed worthy winners of this year's Innovation Award.
At ATSA UVS, we are one team, two companies operating over 3 sites now. It's really the biggest privilege for me is to be able to lead the team in Newcastle, who are the most amazing group of people I've ever worked with, I have to say, and that goes for everyone across the company at all levels. At ATSA UVS, we are passionate about keeping water away from electronics, and we have fun doing it. I don't know whether you've seen our table, but there's lots of hairy caterpillars on the top lip at the moment. We spend every day loving to come to work, and we enjoy what we do there. I guess I'd like to thank HunterNet, really. Everyone knows that this year's been a challenging year for business. The model we've taken this year is to use that time to really look at what we do and take steps to build foundations for moving forward in the future. I'd like to thank HunterNet for its role in helping us do that, in that they provide a lot of networking opportunities, they bring potential customers to the Hunter for us to get in front of. They link us up with potential quality suppliers, and they provide opportunities for us to enhance our people through training. Enterprise Connect has been a big part of that, and New South Wales Trade and Investment. And I also like to thank the team for being patient and sticking with it this year, because it has been a challenging year. But most of all, I'd like to thank Darren and his wife Camilla and Neil and his wife Yvette for having the courage to not be like the caveman and sit there freezing, wondering what it'd be like to light the fire. If passion equals fire, then we're set to set 2014 on fire. Or in the words of Danny Badiris, we're putting our boots on and we're just about to run onto the field, so look out. Thank you.
Jenny Taylor and Darren Burrows from ATSA. We now come to our HunterNet Export Award. Exporting has been a challenging and difficult business for Australia's manufacturing industry for a number of years now, particularly given the high value of the Aussie dollar. This has simply meant that our high prices have driven us out of traditional markets and made it hard to enter new ones. Success in this arena has required both innovation and determination, not to mention some deep pockets. And these qualities have been exemplified by tonight's winner of the Export Award, Headworld Engineering. We invite Chris Eccleston to accept the award on Headworld's behalf. Headworld exports to far-flung places around the earth, places like Central Africa and throughout Asia. Headworld have effectively doubled the size of their business in the last 5 years, and exports is a major part of that growth. Chris Eccleston.
I suppose, firstly, I'd like to thank the Headworld team. Up there, we're one team, one goal, and I think that's important. From the floor right through to management, everybody is equal, and I think that really draws us together as a company and helps us where we want to go. We do export to 29 countries around the world. We have agents in 7 of those. Our latest achievement has been Brazil, and it's going off with mining. So we've been over there and quite successfully last month for 5 weeks through Chile, Peru and Colombia. And we'll be going back there again in April next year. It's been a lot of hard work. The team, I stay home most of the time and keep the home fires burning and keep everything directing. I don't mind doing that, I love it. But the rest of the team, travel all around the world, put in long hours, hard yards, and these are the sort of things that we look forward to, and it proves that, we are doing things right. I'd like to wish everyone here tonight all the best. It is a hard time this year. It will get better, so keep your chins up and be positive, and keep your team's spirits up, and that will help us all through it. Thank you.
Thanks, Chris. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to our Training Award for 2013. Now, this member maintains a constant focus on training their staff to meet customer needs. This ensures the company gets maximum return on their training investment. The winner of the 2013 Training Award is Bohemia Interactive. And it gives me pleasure to invite Leah McLaren to accept this award on behalf of Bohemia Interactive. Bohemia Interactive maintain a constant focus on innovation to meet customers' ever-changing training needs now and in the future by providing virtual and simulation training systems. Bohemia meet the widest possible range of training needs in defence and other industries, with an emerging focus on training in the mining and emergency services sectors. Leah McLaren.
So I'm a little bit out of my depth at the moment. I've been with Bohemia for 4 months. In that time, it's been a pretty big roller coaster. So I guess getting thrown in the deep is something that they do really well. And they come out of it really well as well. So we're hoping to move on to bigger and better things next year. And hopefully they'll continue to grow and we can have a bigger presence in the Hunter. So, yeah, I think that's about it.
Thanks very much, Leah. And finally, the Harvey Knox Award. This important award is in memory of the outstanding contribution to HunterNet made by Harvey Knox. This is presented to a member who has shown ongoing passion and commitment to the cooperative in various roles and has helped shape the organisation to make it the success we see today. We're very pleased to announce that the recipient of this year's Harvey Knox Award is Dennis Hancock from H&M Accountants. Those who know Dennis and his work with HunterNet will know how much he has given as financial advisor both to the group training company and the cooperative over these last 3 decades. Dennis has shown real passion in these roles and his principles of integrity and support have been an important element in the ongoing establishment of the culture and values of HunterNet. Dennis's contributions in time and effort can never be overstated. He assists HunterNet and its training company with day-to-day financial advice and management, annual budgets, and has even been the event captain of the HunterNet annual golf day since its inception. Dennis is not just a valued member of HunterNet, he is part of the HunterNet fabric. Please congratulate Dennis Hancock for the 2013 Harvey Knox Award.
Well, this is amazing. You know, I can remember when HunterNet started and we had some government funding, and after a couple of years it started to run out and we were making losses because we didn't have enough members at that point in time. And the auditor, who was actually at my table and is now one of my partners, said to me at the time, well, what are you going to do? You know, what am I going to do about next year's accounts? Can I qualify them or whatever? I had 2 choices, either sack the auditor or prepare a budget that showed we'd make a profit. So we decided we wouldn't sack it, we'd do a budget that showed we'd make a profit. And we did, right? And thanks to the guys like Harvey, who was an amazing person, and his enthusiasm and everything that went with it, you know, it started to grow. And then, of course, we got John Coyle, and John took it to another level as well. And now we've got Tony, and he's taking it to another level again. It's the best organisation I have ever been involved with. I got to tell you, it really, really is. It's held up by both state and federal government as the network, and it is the network. I've worked with lots of chairmans over the years, and Steve's here. I know Jeff's here. John's here, and John was a chairman before he was even actually the CEO. Nick's here. You know, guys like John Coyle, Bobby Cowan, and of course Josh, who kicked it all off, and thanks to Josh and his wines tonight, and they're fabulous. It's been an amazing journey, and it's hard times now. We've been through them before, and this is such an organisation, it is just going to continue. And we've got, thanks to my staff, who help us put some figures together each month, and the HunterNet staff, it will succeed, I can assure you, and thank you for this award.
Thanks, John. Thanks, Tony. And congratulations. Put your hands together for all our awards winners.